My name is Mark Warwick, and I'm with Pi Architects. I'm here today with Greg Hunteman. We'd like to welcome you to our booth. Pi Architects is a firm that specializes in senior living, something that we're real excited about. We bring together a lot of experts from a lot of different places to make your project the best that it can be.
If I had to describe Pi Architects in one word, it would be collaborative, in that we really enjoy taking the time to learn what the clients need and want, what it is that's unique and special to them, and then start to fold it into kind of the different skill sets that we have as a company.
We have a group of experts in different fields that are able to come together and collaborate to help create spaces that are ideal for seniors to live. We have landscape architects in-house to help you do master planning and landscape design. We have architects to carry you through the design of your building and to make sure that it meets code and gets licensed. And we have experts in the field of interiors to make the interior spaces beautiful.
We have significant in-house experience in MEP, IT, and low voltage engineering, and we advise our clients on a broad range of topics, stretching all the way from Wi-Fi strength to air conditioning choices.
When we're doing a repositioning, that's really neat, because then we can actually look at, what are the buildings that are there now? How do we tie everything together a little bit more? And that's a super critical point, because I think the integration of the architecture and the interiors and the landscape, it just makes a much better building as the spaces flow from the outside to the inside and vice versa. Again, in the COVID world, it's huge because we really have a lot more of an emphasis on the exterior environments and making it comfortable for the residents. So it's really become even more important today, and it's something that we really like to focus on.
Senior living design trends is kind of an exciting topic because it's constantly changing.
A current trend I'm seeing is actually renewed interest in an existing trend, the renewed understanding of how important exterior spaces are to our overall wellness. What that means practically is that operators are seeking opportunities to reinvigorate their existing properties, and where owners are seeking opportunities to maybe reimagine spaces and add spaces to in-progress buildings.
Things like yoga studios, a lot of outdoor trails are also part of the trends I see in senior living.
We all feel like we have a purpose and an obligation to help our seniors and enrich their lives.
It's been a lot of fun working with the different senior living organizations that we have. It's really a labor of love to a certain extent.
Designing senior living spaces is really important for several reasons. One is it's the space that people are going to be living in together in a community, and making that space really speak to them.
We do not have a cookie cutter approach. We really do try to come up with a unique concept behind every project, and then we try to carry that through all the aspects of design, from the interior architecture, the finishes, all the way down to the last little knick-knack.
What we do is all about relationships.
It's not just about us internally, it's that we bring all these amazing clients that we have into what we do and take the time to listen and appreciate and understand what they want and what they need. And at the end of a project, it's just so amazing for everybody to say, this is mine, I had an important piece of this.
Family describes the staff that we have, the teamwork that we strive to obtain, the relationship that we want to have with our clients, and it describes the clients who we're ultimately designing for, the seniors. Well, thank you for coming by our booth. We really appreciate the time that you've taken to get to know us a little bit better.
Thank you so much. Take care. Be safe.